Good morning, everyone. I am Norelyn, and I'm going to present today about the dimension of environmental management. Today, let's discuss about what are the dimension of environmental management, and there are four topics under this dimension. First is economic dimension. It refers the aspects and factors that interconnected for the economic activity and growth. So under this topic, there are seven types of economic dimension. First is growth and development. So it focuses how our economy expand through domestic product, employments, and etc. Next is income income distribution, so it bases between the rich and the poor through their income in the economy. So next is resource allocation. It means how we deals our situation when it comes to the market efficiency, government intervention, and sustainability. So next is international trade. It exchanges the goods and services to other country, like for example products here in Philippines to Thailand. Financial system. These banks, stock exchanges, and insurance companies is one of the institution nga help to flow sa ato ang money and also capital into the economy. Next is labor market. Wages and employment and productivity are the dimensions that supply and demand of our market labor. Technology can help our economic growth where it could give us opportunities, especially in the company's working process. So, social cultural dimension is a concept in various fields like social work, education, marketing that examine how social and influence shape our beliefs, values, and also interaction to other people. So, culture can have eight types of dimensions. So, first is a culture. In a culture, we shared our beliefs, values, customs, traditions, and also our practices that make us to understand in one another. So next is social class. So it refers people who share similar economic status, education, lifestyles, and etc. as the present of who they are. Next is a religion, is our beliefs and practices that relates humanity to supernatural, transcendental, and spiritual elements. So next is ethnicity. Ethnicity is a group of people like sharing common ancestry, language, or culture. Like for example, here in Bukidnon, we have different ethnicity. Next is a gender. So individuals have diverse experiences and expression of gender, and respecting those differences is a crucial for creating inclusive and equitable societies. Next is education. So education is a continuous us to empower to become lifelong learners, active citizens, and contributors to the better future. Next is a family. So it provides essential support and structure our lives and navigate into the society as one. So media is a form of communication, including television, radio, and internet that could influence our behavioral ability using in this media platform. Next is a technological dimension. It how we operate into the society and apply to the different various of the fields. So in technological, there are six types of dimensions. First is a hardware. Hardware is the types of technology that always gonna use, like for example, computers, smartphones, server, and networks. Software is giving instruction to hardware on what to do, like for example, operating system, application, and also etc. Nice is the data, is on what we're gonna use right now, where we could use it as a to rely our informations, content, and etc. through using social media platforms. So next is a human computer interaction. So it focuses the interaction between human to the technology on how we use it properly. Social impact. So it is the impact of technology in our society, like for example, our culture, economy, politics, and also the education. Next is environmental impact. So technology has been significant impact in our environmental because of the resource consumption, pollution, and also climate change. Next is ethical and moral dimensions. So says about the right or wrong based on how these dimensions align us. So this ethics and morality we use. So in ethical and moral dimension, there are nine types of dimensions. First is a privacy. So privacy is important to the individuals regardless their protection and handled responsibility. So next is a security is a protection of our information and system to avoid disclosure of information via technology we used. Next is a fairness and equity. Technology is a beneficial to all of us. However, in ethical, it addresses biases and also inequalities to the development and adoption. So, when we're using technology itself, we need to be a responsible user in order for us to promote transparency of data usage and decision making process and also etc. So next is moral dimension. It is about our actions toward other people where it forms a moral assessment. So as a user, our responsibility is as a user in technology, we need to be responsible on what's the impact on the society and also environment. So in integrity is a guide or honest and behavior in the development through using technology to avoid promoting transparency. Next is a justice and equality. Technology should promote justice and equality where it could guide us for the equitable distribution of benefits and the potential of harm. So respect for human dignity is a technology that we use not to use this as humanized to other people. We just spread respect human rights and also well-being to one another. So this is my references and also here my ano. So thank you everyone and God bless us all.